I will start with India practice first. There were two nets. One is outside because the Australian team was practicing inside the ground. So India started off, uh, uh, here behind me. If you can see, there are some flags, there are some nets there. That's where they started off. Smriti Mandana and Shafali Verma were batting. In the nets where Renuka, Sri Charni, and Shriyanka were bowling. Once and in the other net, there are two nets. In the other net, outside, Jemima was batting, and Deepthi, Nandini Sharma, and Arundhati Reddy were bowling. Arundhati was trying, in fact, all the bowlers were trying their variations. Arundhati actually bowled a few good short ones as well. Smriti was in good touch, so was Shafali. And then once the Australian practice got over, India shifted to the main ground inside, and they had catching practices, a few different drills, close catching, and slip. I wouldn't say slip catching, but close in catching. Two different drills they were having. After that, there was a bit of net session again with Radha Yadav. She batted to throwdowns, and the pacers were doing actually two. There was spot bowling happening under the supervision of course, Avishkar Salvi, and there were two sets of spot bowling that happened. One was for the pacers, which is of course Kranti, Nandini, and Renuka. The three of them bowled for some time, and after that, the spinners Shriyanka, Deepthi, and Sri Charni did that spot bowling for quite a while, and then Avishkar Salvi came out with Sri Charni and was talking to her. Again, she did a bit of spot bowling there under Avishkar Salvi's, you know, Avishkar Salvi spent a lot of time with Sri Charni today, and he kept talking to her. He was telling her to do certain things. That's what happened, and no surprises. After that, Smriti Mandana went to bat yet again in the nets to the throwdowns. The other thing, which was really good, was Richa was practicing keeping drills. Munish Bali was acting as the batter, and she did the wicket keeping drills. That's about it from the India practice.